Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. So, Bagunara, Bagunara, Bagunara. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Okay, very good, very good, very good. So, what's going at home? Chilling or studying? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying, sir. Now proper syllabus also started, sir. So we have started studying. Yeah. And for us, study is also a type of chilling, sir. For us, for kids, chilling means movies. For ultra pro legends, we are ultra what we say, ultra pro legends. For us, study is also a type of chilling. Yeah. AKD sir is going on. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Yeah. Is it okay for you? Chilling is also, study is also a type of chilling only, na? Yeah, sir, we got bored of Insta, Facebook, and movie watching serials. Now we are more focused towards our goal, sir. Yeah. Next year we have to become doctor, sir. So that's why we will chill with study. Once we'll go to medical college, then we will chill by other ways. There are other ways of chilling also, sir. But those ways we will use after selection. Before selection, we will chill with study. Is it okay? Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah, okay, okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, okay, very good, very good. Yeah. And yeah, so I think in you gave your test also, first test also done. Everyone given first test. Okay, how was your test? Manchi or Chadda, how was your test? Manchi or Chadda? Test was good, sir. Neha is saying I got 657 marks. That's good marks. 156 in physics. That's also good marks. Surya 430. Total is less marks, Surya. It was the first test. You should get more better marks. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Suhas is saying 630. That's good marks. For offline also same paper was there. Yeah. For Gayatri 684. That's good marks. HBRD physics 110. That's okay. No problem. Yeah. But this was the first test and paper was easy also. So expected marks would be good. 647 also good. 616 is also good. 175 Trishal in physics very good. Total 567 good. Good. That is good. Anya 571 is also good. Del 676. That's also good. Trishal 710. Very good. Very good. Priyanka 165 in physics. 700 in total. Very good. Very good, Priyanka. HBRD 554. That's good. Marks are good. Marks are good. Keep on working hard. Maybe some test marks will come less, some test marks will come more, depending on type of paper. Only one thing, you should not get demotivated by less marks and overexcited by more marks. Is it okay? We should maintain a constant momentum. We should maintain a constant momentum. Yeah. Okay. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So keep on doing hard work. Keep on doing hard work. Yeah. And from hard work, I remembered, I think in last class we completed basic maths, differentiation the integration the graph the. We completed basic maths. Yeah. So today we have to start with one chapter, proper chapter of physics will start. Yoga Smart, it will be sent to you. Syllabus will be sent to you. What is the name of that chapter? Which chapter will start today? Well, that's okay, marks 507. That's good marks, no problem. Yeah. We will start with your favorite chapter. We will start with vectors. We'll start with vectors. Yeah. Okay, no problem. And before starting vector, I will tell you from vector, two types of questions are asked. Some questions are purely asked from vector, and some questions are asked where use of vector will be there. You have studied last year, you know, you are long-term people, you know, vector is such a chapter whose use will come everywhere. Are you getting my point? The way we say salt is mandatory for all the dishes, in the same manner, vector is mandatory for all the chapters. His example is correct. His example is okay. Chemistry faculty Lalit sir came and Divya ma'am came. Some arrangement of timetable was there. That's why. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Huh? Okay, so let's start with your faculties. All the faculties are equally good. Yeah, there is no doubt in that. Okay, no problem. Yeah, that's why we have everyone has got that. Yeah, okay, no problem. So we'll start with our chapter. We'll start with vectors. Okay, no problem. We'll start with vectors. शुरू करें क्या? Vectors modulu. Vectors modulu. Pan sir will come after a few days. After a few days again, Pan sir will come. Don't worry. Yeah, Pan sir will again come. Yeah. Shall we start? Shall we start? Vectors. शुरू करें क्या? Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Ha. And we'll start from basic. We'll start from basic and then we'll move slowly towards tough part also. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So first thing you tell me, we have, I think everyone knows, we have two types of quantities. Some quantities are scalar quantity, some quantities are vector quantity. You tell me what are the things required for a quantity to be vector? What are the things required for a quantity to be vector? What are the things required for a quantity to be vector, or what is vector quantity? Yeah. So Suhas is saying magnitude and direction. HVRD is also saying magnitude and direction. 223,000 is also saying. Neha is only saying correct. Till now everyone has said something, but something is missing. Always remember, this is a wrong concept that we have. Yeah, yeah, obey vector laws. This is very important point. Always remember, if a quantity has magnitude and direction only, that doesn't mean that quantity is a vector quantity. A quantity having magnitude and direction. Just 1 second. Always remember, yeah. See what I'm trying to tell. Only having magnitude and direction don't make a quantity vector. Third factor is also required. For example, you have studied about electric current. Electric current has magnitude. You say 2 ampere of current. You say 10 ampere of current. Electric current has magnitude. Electric current has direction also. You know electric current flows from high potential to low potential. You tell me, does electric current is a vector quantity? Is electric current is a vector quantity? Is electric current is a vector quantity? No, why not? Why not? It has magnitude na. Electric current has magnitude na. Electric current has direction na. But still it is a scalar. Because it do not obey laws of vector. Always remember, only having 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears don't make a person human being. For human being, he must follow the rules of society. In the same manner, only having magnitude and direction don't make a quantity vector. Third factor is also required. It must obey laws of vector. The laws which we have prepared for vector, it must obey those laws. So you can write this basic definition. You write, vector quantities are those quantities. Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude. Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction and also obey. Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction and also obey laws of vector and also obey laws of vector and also obey laws of vector. So tell me, for a quantity to be vector, what are the conditions? What are the conditions that we require for a quantity to be vector? What are the conditions? What are the conditions? First, it must have magnitude, sir. It must have direction. And third condition, what is the third condition for a quantity to be vector? MDO, magnitude, direction, and obey. Obey vector law. Obey laws of vector. Obey triangle law of vector addition. Obey parallelogram law of vector addition. Obey cross product of vector. Obey dot product of vector. Yeah, okay, no problem. I think everyone has got the idea. Can you give me example of some vector quantities very fastly? Any example? For example, you can write, you can write velocity. One example, just we are starting. So for example, velocity, then displacement, acceleration, force, All these quantities are vector. You can write some example. For example, distance is not vector, Nayak. Distance is scalar. Displacement is vector. Momentum, impulse, acceleration, force, etc. Torque. Yeah, so many examples are there. Any example you can write. Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. Now, I will talk about one example which is very famous, that is your electric current. Question is asked, previously question has been asked, electric current has magnitude as well as direction, but is still a scalar quantity, it's not a vector quantity. Tell me the reason, tell me the reason. Why electric current is not vector? Why? Tell me the reason. Tell me the reason why electric current has magnitude, it has direction, but still it is do not obey. You can write this, you can write this so that you will remember. Yeah, you can write. Electric current has magnitude as well as direction. Electric current has magnitude as well as direction. But still it is scalar. Electric current has magnitude as well as direction. But still it is scalar. Yeah. Electric current has magnitude as well as direction, but still it is a scalar because it do not obey laws of vector, or people also say vector algebra. Laws of vector means vector algebra. Yeah. Because it do not obey laws of vector. Because it do not obey laws of vector. Is it okay? Is it okay? Up to this okay? Up to this, is it okay? Okay, no problem. Slowly we'll move. These are very basic things, but we are starting, so that's why. Acha, always remember, whenever you have to represent a vector, for example, tomorrow you have to represent velocity vector, tomorrow you have to draw force vector, tomorrow you have to draw displacement vector. Can you tell me how we represent vector graphically? How vector is represented graphically? With the help of an arrow. Always remember, graphically you can write this. These small points will be used. You can write, yeah, okay. Graphically, vector is represented with the help of an arrow. Graphically, vector is represented with the help of an arrow. This is how we represent the vector. Graphically, vector is represented with the help of an arrow. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you can represent, no problem. Particle move from here to here, you can represent position vector also. Graphically, vector is represented with the help of an arrow. Okay, no problem. Acha, can you tell me what the length of arrow represent? What this length of the arrow will represent? What the length of arrow represent? Magnitude. This is what you said now, sir. Vector will have magnitude and direction. So length of the arrow represent magnitude of the vector, and direction. This is known as head of arrow. This is known as tail of arrow. This is known as head of arrow. This is known as tail of arrow. Okay, no problem. And always remember, direction pointed by head. Arrow will point one particular direction na. So direction pointed by the head of arrow represents direction of vector. Direction of vector. So you can draw. This is how we represent vector. If you feel any problems that this is not appearing like tail, so actually convention is this. Yeah, you have seen this arrow. Where you have seen such type of arrow? Where? Where? Come on, tell me where you have seen. Bahubali, Ramayan, Bahubali on the board. Yeah, Rajkumari, Nadve, Manirbandham, Bahirmukham, Teja. Yeah, okay, that dialogue is there, na? Prabhas will teach how to make 3 arrows at once in 3 different directions. So he teach, now you forget. I remembered, yeah. Okay, no problem, yeah. So, okay, my memory is very sharp. I remember for, yeah, Bahubali too, yeah. So length of the arrow represent magnitude, direction pointed by the head represent direction of the vector. Okay, no problem. So this is how we are talking about basic things related with vector. Now understand few more points, easy point just here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now always remember. Achha, first thing you tell me, what is this? 2 meter. 2 meter is what? Scalar or vector? 2 2 meter is scalar or vector? Scalar. Only no direction is there. You see, only magnitude 2 meter is there. Direction is not there. Achha, tell me, if I say 2 meter east, then it will become vector. Then it will become vector. So always remember, every vector, right now I'm talking about 2 meter east, but always remember, every vector will be written as product of magnitude and direction. Whenever you write any vector, every vector in the universe will have two parts. One will be its magnitude, one will be its direction. So every vector is written as product of its magnitude. This is magnitude and direction. This is your direction. Basic things I'm talking about. Every vector is always written. Always remember, vector is always written as product of its magnitude and direction. Yeah. So every vector that you will see, it will have two parts in the form of product. One will be its magnitude, one will be its direction. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, now just see. Yeah, okay, no problem. But we cannot write magnitude direction like this everywhere. We cannot write vector equal to magnitude into direction. So what we do, yeah. So always remember, whenever we have to write vector A now, I think you know vector A. If I have to write vector A, I will write this as A bar. Vector A will be written as A arrow, force vector F arrow, velocity vector V arrow, displacement vector S arrow. So when you put the arrow, this quantity becomes vector quantity, and this will be written as product of two things. Magnitude of the vector we represent by A mod. You can say A mod. You can pronounce this. A vector will be equal to, you know, now just now you said, now sir, vector will have two parts. It will have magnitude and direction. So magnitude of the vector is written as A mod into direction. Direction is written as A cap. A cap, yeah. A mod into A cap. A mod is your magnitude. A cap is your direction. And this direction is also given name as, what is the other name for A cap? What is the other name for A cap? What is the other name for A cap? Come on, tell me. For the direction, what is the other name? What is the technical name for direction? Tell me. Unit vector. A cap. Whenever you put any cap, you get a particular direction. If you put a cap, you'll walk in a particular direction. So this direction A cap is also known as unit vector. Can you tell me why its name is unit vector? What is so unique that we have kept name unit vector? Unit means okati. Unit vector is also a vector. For vector, what can be unit? What can be one? Magnitude. So always remember, magnitude of A cap means unit vector, and its name is unit vector because its magnitude, whenever you find magnitude of any unit vector, that will come 1. That's why name is unit vector. Magnitude of unit vector will be 1. That's why we have given name as unit vector. It's not like that, Samsung. Yeah, okay, no problem. So you tell me, every vector will be written as product of which two quantities? Every vector will be written as product of which two quantities? Which two quantities? Come on, tell me fast. Which two quantities? Every vector will be written as product of which two quantities? Magnitude and direction. Acha, direction also means. In place of saying direction, what I can say? Unit vector. What is the magnitude of unit vector? Why name is unit vector? Because its magnitude will be 1. Okay, no problem. You are getting the idea. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So A vector will be A mod into A cap. A cap is direction, which is also known as unit vector. Magnitude of unit vector will be 1. Now be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Achha, you tell me, in our day-to-day life, we use east, west, north, south. Okay, no problem. In physics, how direction we talk? We talk direction like what? With the help of what we talk about direction? With the help of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Always remember, our physics revolve around 3 axes: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Tomorrow they will say particle is running towards x-axis. So for x-axis, there must be a particular direction. There must be a particular unit vector. What is the unit vector along x? I cap, along y j cap, along z k cap. So always remember this will be always used. Unit vector along x axis will be your I cap, along y axis will be your j cap, and along z axis it will be your k cap. These are the unit vectors. Now everywhere direction will come with the help of I, j and k. Can you tell me what is magnitude of I cap? What is magnitude of I cap? It's a unit vector, na. Unit vector, I know, sir. Unit vector purpose is to give direction. Unit vector magnitude will be 1, sir. So I cap magnitude will be same as j cap magnitude, will be same as k cap magnitude, and that magnitude will be okati. All these things will be used tomorrow when we'll do different situation. So now you tell me, your physics will be, in your physics, every vector will be represented with the help of what? With the help of what we will represent everything in physics now? With the help of what? I, j and k. So now whenever you will see, now I'm moving towards very important part. So now if you see, now tomorrow if you have to write force vector, now they will not write force is along north, force is along east. No, they will say force is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k, 4k cap. So always remember, now everywhere you'll find that vector will come with the help of I, j and k. So for example, assume I have vector A. Vector A is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. So they will ask you find its magnitude. So always remember, whenever vector is given in the terms of I, j and k, ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, so magnitude of this vector A will come under root of, I think everyone knows, very basic thing but important, under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the magnitude. If any vector is written ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, then its magnitude will come under root of a square plus b square plus c square. बात समझ में आया? बोलो बोलो बोलो. अच्छा, what you feel in the NEET, they will ask you magnitude. Will they ask you that much easy question? They will not ask you magnitude. They will ask you question which has been asked previously in the NEET. No one will ask you magnitude, Baba. Everyone knows under root of a square plus b square plus c square. They will ask you find direction of a vector. They will ask you find a cap, find the unit vector along a vector. They will ask you its direction. They will ask you unit vector. And for unit vector, you know, a vector is a mod into a cap. So if anyone asks you direction, that means they're asking you a cap. That will come vector A divided by its magnitude. This is your unit vector, or someone can say unit vector, or you can also say direction of given vector A. Question is asked from here. Is it okay? Are you getting my point? They will give you a vector and they will ask you find its unit vector. So always remember, unit vector means vector divided by its magnitude. If you have the vector, first find its magnitude, divide that vector by its magnitude, you'll get the unit vector, you'll get the direction of the given vector. Bolo, 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 bolo. Done, done, done. Everyone understood how to find unit vector? So first find magnitude of the vector, then divide the vector by its magnitude. You will get its unit vector. For example, I will give you few questions, which is one question I will give you. Some like this question has been asked previously in the NEET also. I'll give you one question. Come on, try to find out. Right? Find unit vector of given vector A. Find unit vector of given vector A. Sir, you want unit vector means you want A cap, sir. We know A cap will come vector A divided by its magnitude. So first we'll find magnitude, then we'll divide, we'll get the answer. Trishal, very good. Samsung, what is that 5? You can show your copy also, no problem. Vector divided by its magnitude. How much magnitude is coming? How much magnitude is coming? Acha, typing is little tough. Yeah, type to tough to type. Root 29. So I'll simply say, sir, what you want? You want unit vector? Yeah, root 29 is coming. Sir, what you want? You want unit vector. Sir, you want unit vector. Unit vector means you want a cap, sir. A cap will come, sir, vector a divided by its magnitude. Magnitude we can find, sir. Magnitude will be coming as under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So this will give us a root 29. So root 29, the vector divided by its magnitude, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by its magnitude. Magnitude is root 29. Done. Bolo. Yeah, HBR. Yeah, very good. Everyone got the idea how to find unit vector of a given vector, how to find direction of a given vector? Samjhe kya? Now I will tell you one very common mistake which students do. Please don't do. Just now I was taking class in offline. There also I saw many people did mistake. You may also do the mistake. First I will give you one question for this. Then I will tell you what mistake you can do. Yeah, okay, no problem. You write. Find unit vector. Find unit vector. Find unit vector. So already know a cap will come vector a divided by its magnitude. Very easy. Vector a given, magnitude we can find, we can divide, we can get. How much magnitude is coming? Sai, Rohita, how you are getting that magnitude? Gautam is saying 29. It's not 29. Yeah, Trishal, very good. Neha, very good. Sojanya, very good. Acha, is anyone is there who is finding magnitude like this? Sir, magnitude of vector A will come, sir, under root of 3 square, here minus, so minus 4 square, here minus, so minus 2 square. Is anyone is like that, doing like that, honestly? Is anyone is doing like that, honestly? You can say, yes, sir, I am doing. Oppo is saying, no, sir. Nayak has done. This is, Arey Baba, this is you cannot do. Always remember, if you do like this, completely wrong. You will get like this. If you want to do, this will be like this. Under root of 3 square plus of minus 4 square. Plus of here always plus will be there. Minus 2 square. This is the way. You cannot write here minus, so here minus, here minus, so here minus. That is wrong. If you want to write, then you will write 3 square plus. Here minus 4, so minus 4 square. Plus here minus 2, so minus 2 square. But you know, a square of negative will also become positive. So even ignore minus, no problem, same answer will come. This will give you 9. This will give you minus 4 square will give you minus 4 into minus 4, that is minus plus 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus plus, so 2 into 2 will give you 4. So this will give you root 29. Once you got the magnitude, you will get the unit vector. A cap will come. Given vector divided by its magnitude. Divided by its magnitude, root 29. Chamka kya? Well, again, everyone understood where you don't have to do mistake. Very less people are saying, but some people have done this mistake. Yeah, some people do this mistake. Just now I saw in the offline. At least 10 girls have done this mistake. So don't do this mistake. Okay, is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So always remember, if vector is given, find its magnitude. Vector divided by its magnitude will give you unit vector. I will give you one more question. Come on. I'll give you, yeah. And then no problem. Now you can learn. People are asking, in which batch, sir? What is that point of interest for you? So many batches. Everywhere such people are there who do mistake. Yeah, okay, so don't do mistake. I'll give you one more question. Come on. Previous year NEET question, recently in NEET 2019, this question came. You have to use your brain. I have not told you how to solve, but I have told you the concept. You write, if the given vector 0.3 I cap plus 0.4 j cap plus alpha k cap. If the given vector 0.3 I cap plus 0.4 j cap plus alpha k cap is a unit vector, is a unit vector. Find the value of alpha. Is a unit vector. Find the value of alpha. If the given vector is 0.3 I cap plus 0.4 j cap plus alpha k cap is a unit vector, find the value of alpha. What we can do? Gautam, very good. Gautam, very good. Sir, what we can do? Given vector is a unit vector. What we know about unit vector? That its magnitude will be 1. So its magnitude nikalo na, equate to 1, answer will come. What's so big deal in that? Suhas, wrong. Do calculation carefully. Darshini, wrong. No. Padmavat, wrong. Trishal, correct. Very good, Trishal. Perfect answer. Galaxy tab, don't do calculation mistake. Don't do mistake in addition and subtraction which you are learning from class LKG. Usme galti mat karo. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Don't do mistake in that. Tina, correct. Rohita, again you have done mistake. Vivo has done mistake. Hare Baba. Lasha has also done mistake. Suhas mistake. So many mistake. Chala mistake undi. Hey Bhagwan. कैसे डॉक्टर बनोगे ऐसे मिस्टेक करोगे come on leave your copy just see here okay no problem just see do the next question what is given in the question what is this vector is a special type of vector. Which type of vector is this? 0.3 I cap plus 0.4 j cap plus alpha k cap is what come on tell me is what this vector is what? These are unit vectors. So it is said in the question. So this is a unit vector. This is a unit vector. And what we know about unit vector, that magnitude is going to be 1. This is the thinking process. This is the thinking process. Acha, given vector, they have given a vector and they're asking this, they are saying this vector is a unit vector. That means magnitude of this vector will be 1. So 0.3 square plus 0.4 square plus alpha square. This is its magnitude, sir. And since it is a unit vector, this magnitude will be equal to 1. Now you can do the calculation. You can do SOPs. What is meaning of SOPs? What is meaning of SOPs? You can do SOPs. What is meaning of? Yeah. Squaring of both sides. Yeah. Squaring of both sides. It is also BOSS. If you shuffle the BOSS, it will become SOPs. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So squaring of both sides. Square both sides. Once you square both sides, now this square will be gone and this under root will be gone and 0.3 under a square will become 0.09. 0.4 will become 0.16. 4 square, that is this alpha square. 1 square will remain as 1. Now you can add them. Be careful. 50% of people do mistake here only while squaring and while adding. Don't do such mistake. Priyanka, now correct. Yeah. Now from here, you can get this will give you 0.25. If you add plus alpha square will be equal to 1. So from here, if you solve, alpha square will give you 0.75. So alpha will be coming as under root of 0.75. How many of you have got this answer? You can tell. Rohita has got, Neha has got, Natasha has got, Sneha has got, Gautam got, Trishal got, HVRD got, Sneha got, Vivo got, Gayatri got. Everyone understood? 1010 got, Tina got, very good. Acha, one more thing. Yeah, okay. I think everyone got. Those who have done mistake, they have done mistake here. Okay. I will give you one more question. Like this. Acha, one more thing is there. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Just see here. This is not complete answer. This is, yeah. Sajanya, okay, very good. This is not complete answer. One more thing is there. Can you guess what is that? If you write like this, that's correct. But this is only 50% of answer. Yeah. Always remember. For example, if I say x square equal to 9. Can you tell me what is x? What is x? X is not 3. Normally we write 3. But actually it is plus minus 3. Because 3 square is also 9. And minus 3 square is also 9. Similarly, if x square is 25, x is not 5. X will be plus. Normally we write 5. That's why we remember. But actually it is plus minus 5. So same thing will happen here. It's not under root of 0.75. It is plus minus under root of 0.5. That means two answers are possible. Alpha may be under root of 0.75, or it may be minus of under root of 0.75. If both are present in option, both will be correct. समझे क्या? Everyone got? Everyone got? So be careful. Sometimes what happens when we solve, we don't get answer matching. So there a student start thinking where calculation mistake I did. No, both possibilities are there. Do one more question. One more question like this. Then we'll move towards next type of question. Yeah, you right. If the given vector is a unit vector, if the given vector is a unit vector, then find value of alpha. If the given vector is a unit vector, find value of alpha. If the given vector is a unit vector, find value of alpha. Now don't do mistake. There is chance of making mistake while calculation. Gautam, very good. First answer came from Gautam, perfectly correct. Natasha, very good. You have forget to put plus minus. But I am thinking you know already, okay? For typing it will be tough. Trishal, very good. Saujanya, very good. Gayatri, very good. Now no one is doing calculation mistake also. Rohita, very good. Yeah. Sneha, very good. Sneha, very good. I saw your copy, very good. HVRD, very good. I think answer is coming plus minus 0.9. Plus minus under root of 0.9. Plus minus under root of 0.9. Yeah. This is the answer which is coming. Okay, no problem. Those who are not doing, they're again doing calculation mistake. So be careful, don't do. First thing what is said, how to do. Tell me what is the concept given in the question. How you got to know that you have to find the magnitude. How you got to know that you have to find the magnitude. So right now you are just telling, so we know. But in the NEET, how you'll get to know that this we have to find the magnitude? It is given unit vector. क्या तुम्हें पता है unit vector के बारे में? What you know about unit vector? Is a unit vector magnitude will be 1. So find its magnitude. So 0.1 square plus alpha square plus 0.3 square. This will be equal to 1. Then apply Boss method. Or people say also SOPs. Yeah. So you can apply from here squaring both sides. This will become 0.01. Here chance of making mistake is there. Don't do mistake. Plus alpha square. Plus 0.3 square will give you 0.09. This will be okati. Now you can do from here alpha will come 0.9 alpha square. So alpha will come plus minus under root of 0.9. I feel everyone will get. Some people may not get due to calculation error. Is it okay? Is it okay? आगे बढ़े क्या? Shall we move to next type of question? Shall we move to next type of question? Yeah, I feel you will be able to get. Only careful about these things. Concept you know, but yeah, be careful about calculation. You'll always get the answer. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now I'll move towards one more type of question. You do, come on, you write. Slightly tricky. Read the question, understand the question, then only you'll be able to do. You write. Find a vector whose magnitude is double of a vector. Find a vector whose magnitude is double of a vector. Whose magnitude is double of a vector and direction is same as b vector. Find a vector whose magnitude is double of a vector and direction is same as b vector. Our required vector has magnitude double of a and direction same as b. Simple question, but you have to read the question. If you understand the question, answer will come. Yeah, Trishal, very good. Trishal has got the answer. Trishal, very good. You can write in any way. If it is correct, I'll be able to understand. No need to write completely. Trishal has written in the way I understood. That's correct. Gautam, 13 is the magnitude of A vector. They are not asking you magnitude of A vector. Read the question. Find a vector whose magnitude is double of A. So first find magnitude of A. But your vector magnitude is not same as magnitude of A. Your vector magnitude is double of A. So your vector magnitude will be 26. Tina, little wrong, Tina. Think. Don't multiply with B vector. Multiply with B cap. Priyanka, correct. Priyanka said correctly. Very good, Priyanka. For your vector, only direction is same as B vector. Direction is same as B vector. Galaxy tab, what is that? 6 plus 8 plus 24. What's that? 38. It's 38. Magnitude will be 26. Your vector magnitude will be 26. Yeah. Ha. Padmavat is saying 26. Yeah. Magnitude will be 26. See here, okay, no, I think everyone will get. Maybe typing is tough. That's why people are finding it tough to type. Okay, no problem. Leave your copy, just see here. I will say this, it's very easy. What is asked in the question? Find a vector whose magnitude is double of A and direction is same as B. Okay, sir, you want me to find a vector now? Let's assume. So they're asking me to find a vector. Let's assume my vector is X vector. So X vector will have two things now, magnitude and direction. They're asking, yeah. So Janya, it's still mistake is there. See here, where you are doing mistake. Yeah, the see here. What is asking the question? Find a vector whose magnitude is double of A, direction same as B. They're asking me to find a vector. I don't know that vector. Whenever such situation comes, assume that vector to be X vector. So X vector will have 2 points, magnitude, direction. What is said about magnitude of X vector? Come on. What is said about magnitude of X vector? What is said about magnitude? Double of A vector. Magnitude double of A vector. So I think everyone is getting magnitude of A vector. A vector magnitude will be coming as under root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. That is coming as root 169. That is coming as 13. So your vector magnitude is double of A. A magnitude is 13. So your vector magnitude which you want is 26. This is the first information that we have. Now what is said in the question? Magnitude double of A vector and come on, and this is what I'm saying. Reading question is very important. And bolo, and direction same as B. You tell me if two vectors will have same direction, what will be same for them? If two vectors have same direction, which quantity will be same for them? Which quantity represent direction? Who represent direction? Unit vector. You simply say, sir, what is said in the question? Direction is same as B vector. That means our vector unit vector and B unit vector, both must be same. Vectors will not be same. This is what said. Magnitude double of A, direction same as B. That means direction of our X vector and B vector is same. Direction same means unit vectors will be same. So you can say X cap will come same as B cap. B cap you can find I cap plus J cap plus K cap divided by its magnitude under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So this will give you I cap plus J cap plus K cap by root 3. This is your X cap. Direction same as B cap. Once you got X mod and X cap, you can find your vector also. Just substitute here. What is your magnitude? 26. And what is your X cap? I cap plus J cap plus K cap by root 3. चमका क्या? अर्धमेंदा? वेलेगेंदी? अर्धमेंदा? समझे क्या? कुछ समझे? Did you understand? How many of you got this correct answer? Neha correct, very good. Neha got, Navya got, Aditya got, Vivo got. Okay, Suhas got, Natasha got, Srita got, Priyanka got, Gautam got. HVRD got. Okay, many people got, many people did not got. Do the next question. Do the next question. Come on. Achha, if someone says direction of our vector is opposite of B vector, then opposite of B vector, then what you will do? Direction of our vector is opposite. Here minus will be. X cap will be equal to minus B cap. That's it. Otherwise everything will be same. I'll give you last question from here. Then we'll move further. Then we'll move further. You write. Find a vector whose magnitude is same as a vector whose magnitude is same as a vector and direction is opposite of B vector. Find a vector whose magnitude is same as a vector and direction is opposite of B vector. Opposite. You simply say, sir, you are asking me to find a vector. Let's assume that vector to be X vector. So X vector will be X mod into X cap. X mod will be same as B mod. X cap will be equal to minus B cap because direction is reverse. Suhas correct. Gautam correct. Trishal very good. I think people are getting now. Now answer is coming more correct and more fast. Remaining people, you can show your copy also. If it is finding tough to type, you can show your copy. Padmavati is showing her copy. Yeah, Padmavati, very good. Very good, Padmavati. Yeah, very good. Priyanka, very good. I think everyone will get. Yeah. Saujanya, very good. This time I'm finding more people saying correct answer. And it's very easy. I will simply say, what's so big deal, sir? Okay, no problem. Those who are feeling any problem, see, for the last time after this, I will never tell you this type of question. Either you'll get this type of question in the NEET directly or in our test directly. That's it. Nowhere else I will talk. I'll simply say, sir, you want me to find a vector. Now let's assume that vector is X vector. X vector will have X magnitude into X cap. Tell me what is said about X magnitude. What is said about X magnitude in the question? X mod is same as. Find a vector whose magnitude is same as a vector. So X mod is same as A mod. And A mod you can find under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That will give you 5. A mod we got. X cap. X cap will be equal to B cap now. In this question, X cap will be equal to B cap now. X cap will be equal to B cap now. Priyanka is saying no. Why? Priyanka, last time we did na X cap equal to B cap. Here also, here opposite. Two vectors are opposite. Their directions will be opposite. Directions means unit vectors will be opposite. So X cap will be equal to minus B cap. B cap you can find vector divided by its magnitude. So I cap plus J cap plus K cap divided by its magnitude is root 3. So once you got X cap and minus, you cannot forget. Otherwise it will become wrong. Yeah. So if you got this, this is minus here. This is your X cap. This is your X mod. So your vector will become, X vector will become X mod into X cap. That is 5 into, if you want, you can take this minus outside. So minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap by root 3. How many of you got this answer finally? कितने लोगों का सही आंसर आया? Neha got, HVRD got, 2,000 got, Varshini got, Navya got, Aditya got, Suhas got, Gayatri got, Nayak got, Lenovo got, Vivo got, Natasha got. I think everyone got. AKD got, Redmi got, very good. Lenovo got, Trishal got. Yeah, okay. I think everyone got. Yeah, 1010 got. Shrishita got. Yeah. Titha. Okay. Tough names are also there. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all these questions. We'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Come on. See all this situation. We'll move further. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. Once you feel that I have revised. Yeah, that is what we have done. We have multiplied with magnitude 5. You can, inside also you can multiply, no problem. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And once I will say, you can say done, sir. You will also start saying done, sir. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about this type of questions which we can find. One more question I will give you, then we'll move further. One more type of question exists here. Sometimes questions is asked. You can write that question. Come on. This is also a good question. People do mistake. You write. You write. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector along. Find a unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector. Find a unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector. Find a unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector. Find a unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector. Sir, a vector given, b vector given, but they are not asking us unit vector of a vector. They are not asking us unit vector of b vector. They are asking us unit vector of a vector plus 2b vector. So first I will find a vector plus 2b vector. Then I will divide that vector by its magnitude. I will get unit vector. Think, don't start doing anything. Answer will not come if you do randomly. Trishal has said, very good, Trishal, very good. Find unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector, or they will say find a unit vector parallel to a vector plus 2b vector. Priyanka, very good. Two people have given correct answer. Very good. Shiny, wrong. Somewhere did mistake, Shiny. Find a unit vector along a vector plus 2b vector. So पहले a vector plus 2b vector तो निकालो by putting there. Once you get the vector, divide the vector by its magnitude. You'll get the unit vector. They're not asking you a vector plus 2b vector. No. They're asking you its unit vector. So first find the vector, then divide the vector by magnitude. Get the answer. What you are doing, I don't know. 223,000 correct. Sojanya, calculation mistake undi. You did some calculation mistake. Balisali, that is not the way. Padmavati, that is not the way. Darshini did calculation mistake. Don't do calculation mistake. You did calculation mistake. Aditya done calculation mistake, I think. 5, yeah. Gautam correct. Gautam has done correctly, no problem. Take your time and don't do calculation mistake. I will simply, what's so big deal? What you are doing, I don't know. It's a बहुत ही आसान question है. This is very easy question. You tell me. Do I want unit vector of a vector? Do I want unit vector of a vector? Does it the question they're asking you unit vector of a vector? Tell me yes or no. Does they are asking unit vector of a vector? बोलो जल्दी. अरे जल्दी. Yeah, Gayatri correct. No. Are they asking you unit vector of b vector? Are they asking you unit vector of b vector? Neha correct. Very good. No. Then whose unit vector they are asking you? Whose unit vector they are asking you? A vector plus 2b vector. So पहले ये vector निकालो. What is a vector plus 2b vector? First find it. Sir. I want unit vector of a vector plus 2 vector. I know, sir, how to find unit vector. So unit vector will come vector divided by its magnitude. But which vector? A vector plus 2b vector. So first find it. This I can find, sir. My vector is a vector plus 2b vector. First I will find it. What is a vector, sir? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 1k cap plus 2b vector, b vector enta I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Now from here we can find, sir, 4i cap will come plus j cap will come. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5k cap will come. This is your, is this is your answer? 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 This is your vector. Is this is your answer? No, this is vector. Question is not asking find a vector plus 2b vector. What they are asking you? They are asking you unit vector. So this is the vector. You have to find its unit vector. So I'll simply say, sir, you want unit vector. This is the vector I got, sir, but you want unit vector. So vector divided by its magnitude. So 4i cap plus j cap plus 5 is the vector, 5k cap is the vector divided by its magnitude, under root of 4 square plus 1 square plus 5 square. So this is giving you 4i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap divided by 42. समझ में आया क्या? Everyone got the idea? Everyone got how to deal with this type of questions? Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. So this type of questions are asked which we can do very easily. Last question from here. Come on, do the last question, then we'll start further. We'll move further. Last question from here. This time I want correct answer from everyone. No one will do any mistake. Calculate properly. Always remember, making mistake is also an habit. The way getting good marks is habit, in the similar manner making mistake is also habit. So don't make mistake. If you keep on making mistake, in the NEET also will make mistake. You write, find a unit vector parallel to a vector plus b vector. Find a unit vector parallel to a vector plus b vector. Find a unit vector parallel to a vector plus b vector. तो पहले a vector plus b vector निकालो, then divide that vector by its magnitude, you will get the unit vector. You have to run your brain. You have to be logical. Shuhas did some calculation mistake. Trishal correct. अरे a vector, अच्छा, Trishal wrong. Shuhas correct. Saini correct. Trishal, see, you did calculation mistake this time. Sir, you want unit vector of. Sir, you want unit vector of a vector plus b vector. You want unit vector of a vector plus b vector. Shiny correct. Root 22 is coming. I think, yeah. Magnitude is coming root 22. Most of the people are saying root 22. So that's why I'm also saying. I'll simply say, yeah, okay, so don't do calculation mistake. I'll simply say, sir, they're not asking us magnitude of vector A. They're not asking us magnitude of vector B. They're asking us unit vector of A vector plus B vector. So पहले A vector plus B vector निकाल लेते हैं, sir. So let's find A vector plus B vector. That is coming simply as 3i cap plus 2j cap plus, okay, yeah, plus 3k cap. This is our A vector plus B vector, but they have not asked you this vector. Yeah, Neha correct, very good. Trishal now correct, yeah. So they have not asked us A vector plus B vector. They are asking, yeah, Gautam correct, very good. They are not asking us this vector, they are asking its unit vector. So I know, sir, you want unit vector of A vector plus B vector, na? So vector divided by its magnitude, and magnitude is coming root 22. Is it okay? Is it okay? Gautam, it's not 32, it's 22. Yeah, Padmavat correct. Yeah. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े क्या? Shall we move towards new type of question, new concept? I'm giving you time of 5 seconds, see all this situation, then we'll move further. And we'll talk about one more point now. Okis, yeah. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. Rashmika, what is that? 10, 20. 20 in Telugu is irvai. Root 20. Yeah, once I will say done, sir, everyone will start saying done, sir, done, sir, done, sir, done, sir, done, sir, done, sir. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Acha, you tell me, which figure you studied in your childhood first time? Which figure you studied? Which figure you studied? Acha, you studied about ball round. That's why you are slow. When I was you studied circle, that's why you are slow. When I was in childhood in nursery, I studied about triangle. I studied Pythagoras theorem also. You started only in nursery, you started circle, so you studied triangle in class 4, 5th. I started directly from triangle. Okay, okay, no problem. So we are going to move further. We are okay, yeah. So we are going to talk about pro child, that is known as ultra pro legend. Not got a pro child, not no. Pro, you are pro. I am ultra pro max. Ultra pro max legend. Okay, छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं yeah SSD, yeah, some people, yeah, that's true, no problem, that's good. SSD, yeah, okay, no problem. Now be focused, just here. Always remember, now we are going to move towards one more way to add the two vectors. If magnitude of two vectors are given or two vectors are given graphically, how to find resultant of their addition. One formula will come which everyone knows, and that is your triangle law. You can write triangle law. And it's a very unique law. Name is triangle, but triangle will not be formed. This is a very tricky law. Name is triangle law, but triangle will not be formed. You know that, na? In triangle law, name is triangle law, but triangle will not be formed. Circle will be formed. Triangle will be formed. Don't panic. People have got panic, sir. ये कब हो गया, sir? Yesterday in triangle or triangle was there. Now, sir, how you are saying circle will, triangle will be formed? Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Start करे क्या? Triangle law. Don't worry. Triangle will be formed. Rasmika is asking SSD is brand, sir. Yeah, SSD it's brand. It's my brand. Akada written SSD. By blood it is written SSD. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, just here. Okay. Here. Okay, how triangle will be formed? Just here. For example, you know, every vector is an arrow, and every arrow is a line. So if you add two vectors, someone gave you two arrows. Two arrows means that two arrows will be two lines. Two lines means two sides. And when you add those two vectors, you'll get the third vector. So tell me which figure has three sides? Which figure has three sides? Tell me which figure has three sides? Which figure? Are bolo. Triangle. That's why its name is triangle law of vector addition. See what happens in triangle law of vector addition. No need to write the language. Directly understand here, because mainly we require numerical. For that, one formula will be there, which is very important. Just here. Yeah. Okay. What this triangle law says? This triangle law says, if I have two vectors, not random, it's not like that one vector other vector no, this triangle law says if we have two vectors, for example, assume this is vector A. If we have two vectors, first vector, let's assume A. So what triangle law of vector addition say? If we have two vectors such that head of first vector lies at tail of second vector. Second vector I am representing by B vector. You can see what triangle of vector addition. Do you need to write? Will you write the statement? लिखाऊं क्या statement? Is it required to write? No need. Yeah. No need, sir. Yeah. Well, that is not class junior inter, sir. We can write also. Yeah. So what this triangle law says? Triangle law says if we are adding two vectors such that head of first vector lies at tail of second vector. You can see here, head of vector A is where located, tail of vector B. So what triangle law says? If two vectors are given not randomly, it's not like that anyway two vectors are given. No, if two vectors are given such that head of first vector lies at tail of second vector. So when you add them, that addition is known as resultant of addition. So what triangle law says? When we have two vectors such that head of first vector lies at the tail of second vector, then resultant will be from tail of first vector to head of second vector. This is your resultant. Resultant means addition of A vector and B vector. This is your triangle law. You can see a beautiful triangle has been formed on the board. That's why its name is triangle law. If two vectors are given such that head of first vector lies at tail of second vector, then resultant of addition will be from tail of first vector to head of second vector. Is it okay? Is it okay? And randomly you cannot apply triangle law. If you want to apply triangle law, condition is there. Head of first vector must be lying at tail of second vector. Then only your resultant will be from tail of first vector to head of second vector. Okay, no problem. Very basic, very basic. Now understand. You tell me, is this question will be asked to draw the triangle law at the backside of OMR in the NEET exam? They will ask you this question? Question numerical will come. And see how numericals are asked. Very important type of numerical, and this result will be used everywhere in physics. So many chapters we are going to use this result. Just here, yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, always remember, if I say angle between the two vectors is theta. This is the angle between vector A and vector B. If this angle is theta, okay, no problem. We represent magnitude of vector A. A magnitude you can simply write as A also. Normally we write A magnitude of vector A as A mod na, but no need to write A mod everywhere. It will become lengthy. It will take more time. So magnitude you can write directly as A also. Similarly, B magnitude you can write directly as. Actually, we should write B magnitude like this, but we can write B also. If you write B also, that also means magnitude. Similarly, resultant magnitude is actually R magnitude, but no need to write R magnitude every time. You can simply write R also. So what this triangle law says, one formula will come which you have to remember. What this triangle law says, if two vectors are given, if you want to find resultant, if you want to add them, then resultant of addition of these two vectors, resultant of addition, A plus B will come under root of, very famous result, I think everyone remembered already. Yeah, when you add them, your resultant will have magnitude of under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the magnitude of your R vector. When you add two vectors, you'll get a vector. That vector will have length this much. This is the length of arrow R vector. R vector will come under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. You can also find, this is not required, just for extra knowledge I'm saying, you can also find how much angle your resultant. For example, if I say this angle is alpha, so how much angle your resultant is making with A vector? This is the angle alpha. So question is some there. You can also find this angle alpha. Tan alpha will come. Yeah, tan alpha will come B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This is the angle of resultant with A vector. This is not required. Nowhere it will be asked. So this is the resultant of addition. Are you seeing this formula for the first time or already seen, already remembered, sir? So many places we have seen this formula. पहली बार देख रहे हो या देखा है पहले? सर पहली बार देखे, बाप रे बाप, never seen, sir. Oh my God, so nice formula. अरे देखा है पहले देखे हो? Have you seen earlier? कहीं पे while walking on the road, while roaming in the mall, while bathing. Have you seen this formula? Under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. In the mall, if you are roaming and if your dad comes, you will see this formula. Okay. Does this thing has happened in your life? You are roaming without telling anyone. They are also there. They saw you. Anyone is there to whom this incident has happened? Anyone is there? Rasmika is saying, yes, sir, with me happened. There you will see this formula. You are roaming somewhere. You are just enjoying in the chilling in the mall. Suddenly your father came. You will see the formula on his head, under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay. As your mother came, on the mother eyes also you can see under root of a square. See, under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Just here. Yeah. Two slabs. Yeah. Two slabs for a square plus b square, and this is your tears coming from the eyes. 2ab cos theta. Okay, no problem. You tell me magnitude of resultant. Everyone cannot type, so you can speak in your room only. No need to type. You tell me magnitude of resultant of addition of a vector and b vector will come. Come on, say in your room. Don't be like sitting here. Under root of, come on, say under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Is it okay? Everyone remembered? And this is for addition. Acha, can you guess? Since we are studying here only, because we'll not get time, we'll do numerical after this. This is for addition. Can you guess if anyone asks you for subtraction? Someone says me find resultant of a vector minus b vector. Then can you tell how much? Tell me. Yeah, here plus is there now it will become minus. Very good. If resultance of subtraction is asked, it will become under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Tell me what is that theta between a vector and b vector? What is that angle theta between a vector and b vector? Yeah. Same formula, only here it will become minus 2ab cos theta. What is theta there? Again, don't do minus here. That minus will become plus. That's why here don't do minus. Here only minus will be there. What is theta? Angle between the two vectors. For example, you tell me. If two vectors are given like this. You tell me what is the angle between a vector and b vector. See the diagram. Tell me what is the angle between a vector and b vector. Always remember, always keep this thing in your mind. Any given angle is not angle between your vector. People see this. This is also previous year question which has been asked. Do you see 60 degree? People see, acha, a vector, b vector, 60 degree given. This is the angle. No, this is not the angle. Always remember, Trishal is saying correct. Angle between two vectors is the angle between their heads together or tails. If the vectors are like this, then this is the angle theta. Or if the vectors are like this, then this is the angle theta. Always remember, angle means between head and head. Head. Or between tail. This is the way to find angle between two vectors. Either their heads to be together or their tails must be together. You tell me here, does head and tail are to, does here both tails are together or both heads are together here? No, here head of one and tail of other. So this is not the angle. For this, you have to produce one of the vector. If you produce this vector A, this is your angle 180 minus 60. That is your 120. समझ में आ रहा है बात क्या? You can draw this diagram and you can write this example. And tell me one situation. Okay, first you can write. Then I will give you last situation. Then we'll do numerical in the next class. No problem. I think already people are feeling hungry. Feeling hungry? Ah. Okay. No, I will not make you more hungry. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. I'm also feeling hungry. No problem. Yeah. Achha, tell me. What is the angle between these two vectors? 120 degree, na? What is the angle between A vector and B vector? 120. कैसे यार यहाँ previously I wrote 60, you said 120. So here also I'm writing 60. So you should say 120 now. You are saying 60. How? Because this is between head and head, no problem, sir. Answer will be 60 degree. Yeah. Between head and between tail and tail, no problem. Same angle will come 60 degree. Everyone got the idea about how to find angle between the two vectors? How to find angle between the two vectors? Bolo. So tell me, okay, we'll do numerical from here in the next class. Okay, you tell me, what is the resultant of addition of two vectors? Come on, tell me, RAB, resultant of addition of two vectors will be, come on. If you are not able to type, you have to speak. Resultant of addition will come under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Resultant of addition under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Resultant of subtraction, come on, tell me, subtract. When you subtract the two vectors, what will be resultant? Under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Why you are not shouting in the room? It's your room, Baba. Let the mom come. So you will see that you are studying, so your respect will be increased in the house. Let your mom to come. She will see you studying. She will give more respect. Yeah. Under root of resultant of subtraction will be under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Resultant of subtraction will be under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. You tell me angle between the two vectors is which angle? Which angle is known as the angle between the two vectors? Which angle is known as angle between the two vectors? Two vectors. Angle between the two vectors. Come on. Either heads together, or tails together. Between heads and between tails and tails. Between heads or between tails. Done. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So this is how we have talked about. Okay, Rashmika. Okay, no problem. Yeah. This is how we have talked about. Numericals we will do in the next class. Is it okay? Yeah, so this is how we have talked about. More situations we'll be talking in our next class. For today, we'll be ending class here only. Yeah, Samsung, you can better take our material. That is more better. Yeah. So more situation we'll be studying in next class. Tata, bye. Take care, study well, enjoy your manchi bhojanam. Don't eat more. Okay. Eat less, study more.